Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in shadow black with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4 and it has an FX4 off-road package, which includes a skid plate. As well, it has the chrome appearance package, which means that its grille, bumpers, handles, and running boards have chrome on them. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. This vehicle has been upgraded with BF Goodrich KO2 tires, as well as a level kit. The black button on the chrome handle of this vehicle indicates it has intelligent access, meaning when the key fob is in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Also, you have power deployed running boards. There's power windows, mirrors, and locks on this vehicle, as well as power folding mirrors, memory for 3 drivers, and you also have storage and speaker in the door. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handle on the body making it easier to get in, and you have power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake. I've got the key in my pocket. I'm going to push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages as well as a menu will appear, and I can toggle through. And I'm just going to get to the beginning here for you. My view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing the B&O badging for the premium audio system, as well as a little bin. You have your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And right now we're looking at the touch screen where we can toggle through to different options. So in sources we can touch AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You also have your climate, and that came up briefly. You also have a heated steering wheel, as well as dual climate control. There's navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. You can also go into settings and slide through for different options like Wi-Fi hotspot, Android Auto, and other options. You also have ambient lighting. There's your volume and tuner. There's a CD player and dual climate control on either side there, as well as heated and cooled seats, AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And in the cubby, a couple of USB outlets, and then you can just push this and it'll close it up for you, and you've got that nice wood grain inlay. Automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. When you press on this, you'll see it appear on the dash. So you've got normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. You have a couple of cup holders, and down in the bottom is the light that'll appear for the ambient lighting. And then you can open up your armrest, lots of storage in there, pull out the bin. There's a 12-volt down below, as well as lots of room to put things. You just close that right up. You have a 12-volt and 110 outlet. As well, you have a locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, as well as your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have the button here that slides that power window for you. And in this vehicle, you, as in many of the Lariats, you have actually a windscreen that covers your moonroof. So if you find it's just too bright and you want to cover it up, you can. So right now we're just seeing the sky there because the screen's gone across. And now you can power open the window, get some nice fresh air, and hopefully some blue skies. BF Goodrich KO2 tires, 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running board, chrome door handle with the intelligent access, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and your backup camera is just below that handle. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. The nice thing about this tailgate is it's powered, so when you double click your fob, it'll bring it right down for you. No need to struggle with it. And inside it's nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as the wood inlay and power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, and then use the tab to pull it back down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders in the center. There's an all-weather mat that runs from one end to the other, and you also have the option of carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage, and in the center a couple of cup holders, heated seat controls for the rear seats, air vents, 12-volt USB and 110 outlet, grab handle in the body, up above, hooks and lighting as well as that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.